Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So today I am going to send you video on articles. What are articles? Articles means use of a and the. And n we use before single number. Okay. When the number is single, pencil. So you will use a pencil, a book. Okay, and also is used with single number, but it is used with vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These five are called vowels, as you know already. So the spelling starting with vowels, we use an ink pot, an elephant, an apple. Okay, so a and n we use before the singular number. The use of it is also article, and there are so many rules to use the. So let us discuss one by one what are the rules of using a and n. Articles, you understood? A and the are called articles. They play a very important role in grammar. So a is used before singular countable nouns, a cow, a shop. An is used before singular countable nouns with vowel sound. Okay, an ink pot and egg. Okay, so they are showing the indefinite number. They are used for indefinite. Okay, so they are called indefinite articles. Means there is no particular thing about that. So fill in the blanks. It is given on page number 81. We will solve these exercises by using a and n. And the is called a definite article because it refers to a particular place, person, animal or thing. When the things is particularly speak of, the book means the book is already mentioned earlier. Now you are giving more reference of that book. I like to read a book. The book was very interesting. Means the book already you are reading, it is mentioned the same book. So when we give a particular intention to the noun, we use the. So the is called definite articles. So fill in the blanks. I am using a and n and solving. Parul saw a little octopus in an aquarium. अब लिटिल नहीं होता, डायरेक्ट ऑक्टोपस होता तो यू विल यूज एन, बट लिटिल ऑक्टोपस तो इट इज अ ऑक्टोपस, अ लिटिल ऑक्टोपस. और व्हेन वी यूज डायरेक्ट ऑक्टोपस देन इट विल बी एन ऑक्टोपस. नाउ सेकंड सेंटेंस इज ऑन द सेम. एन ऑक्टोपस इज अ सी एनिमल. It has a soft body and 8 tentacles. Third, Parul has a fish bowl in her home. She keeps a goldfish in it. Raghav has a book with lots of colorful pictures in it. Fifth, the first page has pictures of an unicorn and an owl. Sixth, an unicorn is an imaginary animal. So see the difference. A is used with consonant and N is used for vowels, sound words. Raghav's book also has a picture of a monkey swinging on a branch. There is a baby monkey with an apple in its hand. So now come to page number 82. What are the rules we have to follow while using the article? The following are the important uses of the. First of all, before a noun that refers to something specific. Just now I have given you example. I read a book and the book was. So the same book I was talking. So in that place you will use the. For example, the dress Neha bought is very colorful. Now in this sentence we are talking about the dress, particular dress that Neha bought and no any other dress. So when we talk about a particular thing, you are mentioning particular thing, then we use the. I saw a film yesterday. Okay, a film. Now we are talking about the same film. Then we say The film was very interesting. So, understood the use of the. Now, second rule, before a singular countable noun, when it represents the whole class. See, the girl are very beautiful. The girls are very beautiful. So here the girls, you are talking about a whole class, all girls. So the girls, okay. The dog is a faithful animal. Now here you are not talking about a dog or a particular dog. You are talking about the whole dog community. Okay. The banyan tree is huge. Now not a single banyan tree. It is the whole banyan trees. So when we talk about the whole class, particular class, the family which it belongs, okay, the girl, the teachers, the doctors. Now it is not particular doctor, all the category of doctors, all the category of dogs. So when we talk about a group of that animal or thing, we say the. Now before the superlative degree, just a good, better, best. So we say best superlative degree. So before the superlative degree, we use the most handsome boy, the most tallest, the tallest girl in the class, the longest rope. So for the superlative degree, we use the. Now second next rule is when you talk about the universal things like the sun, the moon, the earth, the Jupiter, that we find in a single number. The whole thing of universe, you can say the sun, the earth. So that for that we use the, not a sun or a earth. Okay. Now fourth rule is we use the in front of some particular proper nouns like the Ganga, the river Himalaya, the Ganga river, the Himalaya mountain range, or particular names we are given. The ship. Now ship के लिए we use a ship. But when we given the name Titanic ship, so the Titanic ship, the famous newspapers, the name we have given. So newspapers, the name of the trains, the name of holy books, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Bible. Okay. So holy books, name of the rivers, sea, ocean, mountain ranges, then famous buildings, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, then ships, कोई particular name is famous aeroplanes, जब हम उनको name देते हैं, ठीक है, famous newspaper, all this for this we use the Shatabdi Express, the Nile River, the Arabian Sea, ठीक है, the Red Fort, the Hindustan Times. So in this way we are using the. Now next again the rule, the is used in front of uncountable nouns like milk, sugar, grass, salt. So I drank the milk that you had kept in the kitchen. Now in this also you have to find out the milk we are talking about is particular milk. The milk that you have kept in the kitchen. मतलब you are pointing to a particular milk. Then we are using the. Okay. I like to drink milk. Then it is okay. It is class. But I drank the milk which you have kept in the kitchen or which you kept on the table. मतलब you are focusing on particular milk. Then we say the milk. Clear? Okay. Now the people of that country, the Indians, the Japanese, the Europeans, the Americans. Okay. For that we also use the. So there are so many rules and you have to keep all these rules in the mind so that you can use proper articles in front of the blanks. Now we have some rules you have to keep in mind where we should not use the. Like you never use the in front of your name. Okay, proper noun. The Mohit, wrong. The Ruby ma'am, wrong. Okay, so never use the before proper nouns. Second, never use the in front of abstract nouns like wisdom, then your age, juice. These are called abstract nouns. ठीक है, never use the. Then plurals. Animals. No, the animals is wrong English. Okay, so the animal you can say, so then animal is belonging to a category. Then okay, animals wrong. Then you never use the in front of gold, silver, or particular if you are saying ki the that gold jewelry. So then you particular hoga, then you will use the. Otherwise, no use of the in front of metals, paper, etc. The flowers are made up of paper, not the papers. A paper, ठीक है. The flowers are made up of a paper means you have used a single paper, but never use the. Then some languages, games, you will never use the. The cricket wrong, the French wrong. I am learning to speak French. I play cricket. Never use the in front of this. I hope I am clear in telling you about the uses of a and the. According to the rules, now you have to do some exercises given on page number 83. So, two options are given. You have to choose the correct option. The Spanish, I already told, the Spanish will come. Platinum is a metal, so the platinum is wrong. The staple diet, you are focusing on diet of Bengal. Sharad is the most, I already told. Superlatives are the Titanic, name given to the ship. The rice that you have served. Matlab you are focusing the rice which is particular, not the other rice. The sun, universal thing. The boy I met yesterday. Now you are focusing on the boy which you met yesterday. So then particular boy, the boy. Again see the same fill in the blanks using a and the. Bharti is an intelligent girl. Piyush borrowed a book from his friend. Now again the same book they are talking. So the book was by Mark Twain. The Japanese, again attacked the Americans. So the will come. Now page number 84. Harshit added a spoonful of sugar. ठीक है? The students, now it is focused on a particular students. The students who came for the test, means you are focusing on a particular students. So they were asked to bring a pencil, an eraser and a ruler. Huhu Shom is a wizard. My cousin writes article for the Indian Express. A lion is the king of jungle. Now the king, again a category, so it is the king. The juice, see simple juice, I like to drink juice, then it's okay. When you are talking about a particular juice, the juice served to us was too sweet to drink. वो juice जो आपको serve किया गया, you are focusing on that juice. So the will come. An apple a day keeps the doctor. The doctor category is there. Now insert articles wherever necessary and rewrite the sentences. For these sentences, I have inserted articles. So I am going to read the answers of. See, dog is faithful animal. Now where article will come, I am reading that sentences. The dog. Okay, now here the dog category is mentioned. So the will come. The dog is faithful animal. Second, our neighbors have a dog in their house. Here not a mentioned particular dog, so they have a dog. Now again we are talking about that dog that neighbor has. So now we are putting the dog. The dog they have is well trained. Now we are talking about that particular dog. Now for that dog trainer is coming. But trainer is not a particular, any trainer may have. So a trainer comes to train it every day. Now we are talking about the same trainer. This sentence is on that trainer. So the trainer comes early in the morning. Now he lives in Chandni Chowk near the Red Fort. Red Fort is famous building, so the Red Fort. He trains dog for an hour. Now here you can say hour, HOUR. So you will put a hour. No. There is exceptions of some cases. The spellings start with consonant HOUR. But when you produce the sound hour, तो sound क्या कम, which sound is coming? Hour. Oh, hour. So according to sound produced. So the train, he trains the dog for an hour. So sound is coming of vowel. So here we use an hour, not a hour. Now next, he comes in auto rickshaw. There are few exceptions: hour, honest, university. Now university, it is starting with U. But when you pronounce university, so which sound is coming? U. So U is not a consonant. U is vowel, but sound coming is of consonant. So we say a university, not an university. Okay? The university is right when you're talking about a particular university, but never use an university. A university is correct. So there are few words which are exception. Our, honest, university, like this. 4 or 5 words are there. Now he comes in auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw. Okay? देखो आप you pronounce auto rickshaw. The sound of O is coming. Auto rickshaw. It is starting from A, but when you pronounce auto rickshaw, so O ka sound is coming. Auto rickshaw is popular form of transport. So an auto rickshaw waits for trainer till he finishes his work. So now we are talking about the particular auto rickshaw that is coming to pick trainer. So now we are saying of particular auto rickshaw. So it is the auto rickshaw waits for the trainer till he finishes his work. Okay. So I think I am cleared with articles. Read this chapter articles twice, thrice. Solve the exercises based on the rules. I hope you will be able to do very nicely. Have a nice day. Till then, goodbye.